About to bang some gears, do a little power shifting in the old 96 4-cylinder S10. She's a turd. It's just a 4-cylinder, but we're gonna have a little fun. Show you some gear banging. Hopefully that's a good view. Stereo fell out. That was a pretty good hole shot. Stereo don't normally fall out. Anybody ever had one of these 96 S10s or 94 to 96 S10s, they know that them freaking installation kits are hard to find. So I kind of got this one just kind of rigged in there so it'll fall out when you do a hole shot like that. But yeah, get some!